Hello, artistic people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I showing you how did I paint this huge painting with acrylic. So I think this is the fifth or sixth painting I paint with acrylic in my life. First I paint two of them with acrylics, but just on the cardboard, and they came out good. I will show you one day. Then I paint on canvas, but now I'm painting on this wooden board, which is super slim, but it was other painting on this, not painting, it was just a print, but I take off this paper of this print and I prime this canvas or what, this board with gesso, and I found some cheap acrylic paints, and I will try to paint this flower field with the sky and light, bright, very fun and colorful painting. I did start with some brushes for acrylic paintings, and I don't have so much, so I did use some other things when I was painting that. I was using also some sponges and some paper and part of some cards, and you will see, I will show everything. So I did paint this painting for very long time, because when I was paint in acrylic, I really like to leave it and forget about it. So I was painting to my friend once a big painting, not big like this, but really big, like half meter big. So one bird in the fire, like firebird or phoenix, how is that called? And she liked phoenix, so I did paint that. It's supposed to be for her birthday, but I paint this painting for, I think, 2.5 or maybe even 3 years. So I don't know why am I so slow when it's acrylic in a question. So maybe because I always have these cheap paints, so they are so fast drying, and I don't like work with acrylic. So, but I want to become better with acrylic, so I'm forcing myself. And this painting is for my studio wall here in the dining room, which we do not use dining room ever. So just me and my husband. He likes to eat in front of the TV and look at some movie or some show, I don't know. He didn't like, and I didn't want to force him, so I make this like my paint studio. So I'm using very bright colors here, and some light yellow, some light greens, light blue, and these clouds I will make them bigger and more visible. They will be more visible in white clouds you will see at the end. And now I'm using the sponge, and I'm layering on these flowers much different shades of the same colors, and I even put some shimmery colors uh, with some, I don't know, like some shimmer to, I don't know, to be more bright, to be more fun. And now I'm working on these flowers. This, I didn't want this painting to be too much realistic. I want this to be like semi-abstract, because I'm not so good with acrylic, and I want to free myself of mistakes and things that I maybe will not do properly. So I was just put the color on this canvas or on this board. So now I'm doing working on the stamps and on the grass, and I don't have much space here. I didn't know where to put my camera. I couldn't put it on the ceiling and I'm really struggling with this. And in one moment I even push a little bit of this camera, and you will see it will be just a little part of the painting. Now I'm putting some colors on one card, and I'm working with this for these tiny grass pieces. And I put cushions down on the floor because I wanted to kneel, but I don't know why I forget why I forget this. I just standing here and sweating. It is so hot, and I'm working on this painting, and I don't know. So that is almost everything I have to say. It's a little bit of end now, so I will show you finished result, and you will see. It will be very cute and fun painting here. And finally, our painting is finished. And I really don't know how to show you this because it is so huge. So I don't know how to show. Oh my God. I will put this on the wall here and you will see. Here is my studio. So I painted here and I have this view and I hope you like it, my work. And that is all for me today. See you in the next one. Bye.